Hadian kejengwan jurep kejeng sya penjulor ke Surokba National Highway Bahan Riau hak distrik East Jenti Hills. Hak arpau tarik ujeliau arhajar arpuar Menteri Rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit jurep kesenong dangar batken mensau kibahap hak mau senram konstituensi. Hak awa ulalit ikendu ikibahayeng bahasem jang kibeladu no ili kibiyat baton hak kejeng sya shop ikibor kamaryang kabelaja menhaka kat nyau tarik mentau benai. Hak ini kejeng jurep Menteri Rangba Laidon lang UMLA ke mau senram uba Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang, UMDC ke mau senram uba Aven Saukme, kihe officer jong sarkar jela bat kiwe-kiwe. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ule kendo iki bahayeng jong kibaladu no ele kibayat beton bat ula airu iki jeng to kebari kejeng rap pisa kebamar saulak tengka ya kibalaklat no hak jeng tua kendo. Menteri Rangba ulali kendo iki bahayeng bahasem jang kowe kelongyang hadangar kebaladu no iki sangut kejeng embrio na kejeng tua kendo kibakentup ya kemia kong kiliti langpen laipu arsenam kerta da pisha langpen kat arsenam kerta da skam langpen san senam kerta saidawan biang langpen lai senam kerta badi kelung berang hendro benai. Nalor keni ulalit ruish kasnong ken mensau bani kendo iki bahayeng jong ki arngot kisyukurim kebelaklat no na kejeng tua kendo kibakentup ya kong dret bersau baruba rubino kenter. Menteri Rangba ula penpau ya kejeng sengosi alo kejeng dono kejeng embrio baru ula ong sorkar kanele kat bala bana jeng yarap ikilanot hakum kene kelemat ke bagi syam jenjar. Bat ke sorkar kan airu ya kepisa kabasau lak tengka syek belaklat no na kejeng walen shop kibor kamaryang. Ha kejeng kendo ikinong yalam shnong ula kular bagi sorkar kan ai jeng yarap ikijaka kebasya akta ajur bat ke sorkar kadang yat syakmat ben penbiang ya ke boarding elektrik bat ki tower mobile bakin tray kambiang na kebentar kejeng bit jeng biang jong kipat nong song shnong.
We have already sanctioned 4 lakhs per deceased, and the money will be given to the family members. Apart from that, we have also started restoring the power lines, and I'm hopeful that we should be able to get back the power very soon. Apart from that, even the roads that are blocked, we are taking extra care to ensure that the road connectivity also is brought back to normal. Apart from that, I'm aware that the entire road connectivity in this region has been affected, and even before that, the road connectivity was bad through the plain areas. And you are aware that we as a government have sanctioned the road, and I'm also happy to inform you the bridge over Kasimara area. The bridge will be also sanctioned in the next few days, and we're hopeful that that bridge also, the construction of that work will start very, very soon. And once the Kasimara bridge is done, that will also help the people of this region and of this area, and I'm sure that that will be a great connectivity for the people of this region.